Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning, and I do appreciate you all. I believe you're all doing great by the grace of God. Family, as you all know how we do it on this channel, we make outstanding recipes, and today's recipe is not an exception. Today we have another Ghanaian classic authentic chicken rice soup. Hey, this description dear and what wow family, I love this recipe and I hope you like it too. Without further ado, let's begin. I've got my aubergine ready, my scotch bonnet pepper, my carrots, and my butter beans. I've already cracked them all and they have been washed, but I'll wash them again. Okay, I've also got my garlic, ginger, coriander seeds, and fennel seeds. I'm going to peel off the skin of the garlic. Yes, and I've also got my white onions nicely washed and chopped. You can use the red one. Here they are. So I'm going to roast some of these vegetables and I'll also cook some of them. So keep watching to know which ones I'm going to cook and roast respectively. I've already put my seasonings and my ginger garlic in the frying pan. I'm adding my white onions and of course I'm roasting them. Okay, I'm going to also cook my aubergine. I've washed them and cut them nicely. I'm adding my carrots, also washed and cut nicely. That is it. And I'm going to head to add my scotch bonnet pepper. I've also cracked my butter beans and they have been washed again, and now I've added them to the saucepan. I'm going to roast these seasonings and the vegetables for about 2 minutes for them to release their amazing flavors, and that'll be it. Okay, so I decided to roast the pepper instead of cooking it. It's optional. You can choose to cook it or roast it, and mostly I roast it. So in about 2 minutes, this is so aromatic. Family, I'll just turn off the heat, and once it's cooled down, I'll transfer them into the blender as I'm doing right now. And I'll leave my blender open for them to completely cool down before I blend them. Okay, I could have waited for them to cool down in the frying pan before I transfer them into the blender and blend them, but I need the frying pan to also roast my fresh tomatoes. Okay, so if you have a big saucepan or frying pan, use it to do this all at once to save time. Okay, in a few minutes time they should be done roasting, and now my aubergine, carrots, and butter beans are ready to be blended. Now that they are ready, it's time to make our soup. I've added my nicely washed and clean chicken to the saucepan. I've added my chicken seasoning, and now I'm adding my shrimp tablet and salt to taste. Not too much. I'm going to stir to mix everything nicely. I'll not add water at this stage, but I'll let the chicken release its own juices. Okay, and that will help the chicken taste amazing. Okay, I'm adding my tomato paste. Again, I will stir to mix it nicely. Make sure you spread the chicken seasonings, the salt, and the tomato paste evenly. Let every chicken be well coated, okay? Ooh, it smells so amazing already. I'm going to blend all of our roasted vegetables and seasonings and I'll add them to the chicken very soon, okay? Family, so far, if you're enjoying this video, please like, share, comment on this video, and I really appreciate it. Okay, so we are back, and so far so good. I love the aroma. This is so flavorful. This chicken is well seasoned. The soup base is so ready. Look at that. Look at the oil on top of the soup base. That is a sign that we can add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, that's our blended ingredients. Okay, I'm going ahead to add my amazing blended seasonings and vegetables, and I will still not add water at this stage. No, I will let the chicken and the vegetables release their own juices to do this job. Okay, I want the soup base to be so concentrated that the chicken can easily absorb all the flavors of the soup base so that it will taste amazing. I hope it's clear here. Okay, so let's give it time to simmer. Okay, so whilst it's simmering, I'm going ahead to blend the rest of the vegetables. Because I'm going to be using the water that I use to cook the vegetables, I made sure I really washed the vegetables so well, okay? So if you want to use the water for cooking the vegetables, make sure it's really washed well, because you don't want to drink or you don't want to be eating dirty soup, okay? And since I'm not going to strain them, I'll make sure that they are blended until they are nice and smooth. Okay, see you on the other side. Whilst we are blending our vegetables, let's check on our chicken and see how things are going. And so far, so good. It's so ready to add our blended veggies. I love this. I love the aroma. Wow, such an amazing combination. Beautiful. This is a must try, family. It's really a must try. As usual, you give it a gentle stir to mix everything nicely and beautifully together. Mmm, Mamma mia. I love this. Before I add water to my desired level, I'll let it simmer for about 3 minutes before I do so, okay? Family, if you're enjoying this video so far and this recipe is helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Also, don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may also like my recipes. And if it's your first time, you are warmly welcome. I'd love to have you here. So please click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos, okay? So now let's check the consistency and it's all up to you, okay? And so far, I think I'm going for this for now until it cooks and gets to the level that I desire, okay? In about 20 to 25 minutes later, this soup should be ready to be served, okay? As always, I love me some okra and some green pepper in my soups, and yes, that's how I eat my fufu. I love them in it, and I know most Ghanaians love that too. I will still let it cook until it gets the level that I desire, and it's not there yet, but the aroma is so heavily right here in my kitchen, and I'm loving this so far. I'm adding my spinach, and you can use any veggie of your choice, okay? Usually I'll add some carrots, some aubergine, or some garden eggs to the soup, okay, or even some onions to the soup. But today I'm steaming some vegetables on the side, which I'll add to my fufu later on when I'm serving myself. So if you're interested to see how I'm going to serve myself, then keep watching till the end and be inspired, okay? This is a must-try recipe, and I keep saying this is a must-try recipe. I love the texture of the meat. It's not too soft, it's not too hard. Oh my goodness, this is a must-try recipe. Don't just watch the video, okay? Try it. Bring me the feedback, and I'll really appreciate it. Mmm, aromatic and flavorful. I'm scraping all that part of the soup at the top back into the soup, because that is where all the flavors are stacked and I don't want them to go waste, okay? Family, the soup should be ready in few minutes time, and yes, here we are. It's so ready. I love the aroma. I love the consistency. It's amazing. Oh, for more of these videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Follow me as well on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for us to build this amazing family together. Okay, thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care. Bye, y'all. Enjoy. Mwah. Kiss.